job I knew what that noise was, otherwise it would have freaked me out. I'm wondering if it has a fawn somewhere in this grass, and it's getting a bit fidgety about that. I'm coming off this track and I'm going to go through this gateway. Let me show you. It's open, so there's obviously no livestock, and I am going to follow. I can see a trail. God, I tripped up. Made by, I reckon, a deer. It's a bit blowy. Hope there's not loads of wind noise. Forgot to bring Squiz on this wonderful walk. Never mind, he'll do plenty this week.